Here we will tell you the secret of a first-rate appetizing truffle candy. A rich and thick chocolate ganache mixed with cream icing produces a delightful appetizing truffle candy. What is a truffle candy? Chocolate truffle candies are round and coated with cocoa powder, so they will not melt on your hand. Either high-quality chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate will do in making truffle candy. What is chocolate ganache in truffle candy? Chocolate ganache is a combination of butter, heavy cream, and melting chocolate. It is blended then chilled in the fridge to accomplish a gooey center or thick chocolate. Afterward, the ganache is formed into lumpy and spherical balls, then dipped in semi-sweet chocolate or coated with cocoa powder. Ganache can differ in forms due to the cream to chocolate proportion and its preparation and concentration. A truffle candy you can make easily at home. Reese'sNutter butter cookie truffles is a splendid recipe if you are a big fan of peanut butter. Dipped into melted chocolate as nutter butter and cream cheese. Nutella truffles are also a classic. Dark chocolate toffee truffles are soft in the middle that suits well with their crunchy toffee texture. Chocolate orange truffles is an unexpectedly delectable twist and only needs 4 ingredients to make. But no one can deny that peanut butter and M&M's are the perfect pair. Peanut butter and M&M's truffle candy recipe. Ingredients: 100 grams peanut butter, 50 grams M&M's, 200 grams dark chocolate compound, 85 grams all-purpose cream, 15 grams butter. Equipment: mixing bowl, spatula, measuring spoon, baking sheet, cling wrap, saucepan, whisk. Quick and easy steps. Step 1. In a large bowl, place the chocolate, then set aside. Step 2. In a saucepan, put the cream and place it over medium heat. Step 3. Let cream simmer and add 2/3 of the cream over the chocolate. Step 4. Afterward, add the butter, let it sit for a minute, then stir until the mixture is smooth and glossy, and add in the rest of the cream. Step 5. Put in the chiller until solid. Step 6. Scoop a tablespoon of the chocolate mixture, quickly roll each one into a ball, and then place on a baking sheet. Step 7. Make sure to roll the balls in the cocoa powder until fully coated. What makes truffle candy so easy to make at home? Truffle candy does not need to bake. It uses simple tools and ingredients. Then, it is chilled in the fridge to harden. Though there are plenty of recipes to make truffles, all with their interesting combinations, it is easy to create them. When making homemade chocolate truffles, it is best to look out for mistakes like hard ganache, infusions, and broken ganache. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.